In this video, I will guide you on how to change country or region in Google Play Store. The first thing you want to do is open the Play Store app on your device. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once you get here, you want to find the option of payment and subscription. Select that. Now, select the option of payment methods. Now you're going to have the option More Payment Settings. Tap on that. This should take you to a web browser. Now you want to tap on these three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here, select the option of Settings. Now you will find the option Country/Region. Go ahead and tap on that. Here, tap on Create New Profile. Now tap on Continue. Then tap on Choose a Country/Region option. Now scroll down, and from here you can simply select your new country and region. Then tap on the Continue option. Now you will have to enter your address line over here. Once you do that, tap on the Submit option. As you can see, your new profile has been created. You can tap on the View Profile option, and in this way you can change country or region in Google Play Store. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.